Review: Ford Model T, 1908A 1927. The Ford Model T, produced from 1908 to 1927, is one of the most significant vehicles in automotive history, not because of luxury or speed, but because it revolutionized transportation and manufacturing. Dubbed the Tin Lizzie, the Model T was Henry Ford's answer to the need for an affordable, reliable car for the masses. Design and performance: the Model T was simple in design and ruggedly built to handle the rough roads of early 20th century America. Powered by a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine producing around 20 horsepower, it could reach a top speed of about 45 miles per hour. It featured a two-speed planetary transmission operated with foot pedals, a far cry from modern driving controls and one of the quirkiest aspects for modern drivers trying it out today. While its performance was modest, the T's real strength lay in its reliability and ease of repair. It could run on gasoline, kerosene, or ethanol, and its high ground clearance made it ideal for rural roads. Its parts were interchangeable, which made servicing simple and cost-effective. Innovation and impact: the Model T was not the first car, but it was the first car built efficiently enough to be affordable to middle-class Americans. Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 drastically reduced production time and costs, making the Model T the first mass-produced vehicle in the world. At its peak, more than half of all cars in the world were Model Ts. This democratization of mobility changed society. The Model T helped spawn suburbs, changed industries from oil to steel, and symbolized American innovation and freedom. Ownership experience: by modern standards, driving a Model T can be challenging. A manual starting with a crank, non-standard pedals, and no real brakes to speak of, just a transmission brake. There's no heater, air conditioning, or even a fuel gauge. But that was never the point. It was a tool or a rugged, dependable workhorse that delivered personal freedom and mobility. Final verdict: the Ford Model T is less a car you drive for pleasure today and more a piece of living history. It's clunky and outdated by any modern metric, but in context, it was revolutionary. Its true value lies in its impact. It wasn't just a car, it was a societal shift on wheels. For collectors, historians, and automotive enthusiasts, the Model T is an icon, and rightly so.